What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the videos, check out the content, check out every single video, literally every single video. Just go watch every single one. Yeah, there's a link for Discord below. It's kind of quiet. Join it if you want to, liven it up. But yeah, let's get straight into this one. So summer season is here. And obviously it's shorts weather, short season, whatever you want to call it. Here I've got a pair of Jordan shorts in like a beige color, a brown, very light brown beige type color. There's a Jordan kind of stuck on logo here. It is in light pink. The Jordan and then the words Jordan in white. The rest of the short is like a mesh. It's actually like a double mesh, so it's like 2 layers, mesh inside and mesh outside. Little holes, so that's good for the summer weather, you know, little holes, breezy, etc. It's got the, and Jordan do this a lot, they have very good quality strings on the waist. They're proper, like, you know, solid. Then you got the little Jumpmen on there. And then on the back there is a pocket, no zips or nothing, and then we've got a little Jumpman logo, little tab there. Again, no zip pockets or nothing like that, just the standard fit shorts, plain simple standard fit. I really want Nike to start making shorts with pockets because they never do, and obviously you'd always like to have or put things in your pockets without worrying you'll drop some change or something. But yeah, very nice casual pair of shorts. Will go good with some white trainers, white Air Forces, some white t-shirt, oversized, you know, simple outfit for the warmer weather. Especially a lot of people are flying out, so if you're going on holiday, I do recommend these type of like mesh shorts because you won't overheat in them. But yeah, let me know what you think of this one. It's just a quick one, people. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos, all the uploads, and yeah, playlists will be uploaded so you can check, you know, by season and stuff like that. So I'll put like winter wear, summer, spring, autumn, trainers, unboxing reviews, all of that good stuff. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think, and take care, my people.